Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change video color to black and white except the skin tone, or in other words, keep the skin tone only on your video in CapCut. Alright, let me show you how, and I already have one clip here. So to keep the skin tone only, you are just going to adjustment and adjust for the HSL color here. So for red and orange color, you don't change these settings, but in yellow color, you can hold down, and green the same, blue too. So just hold down. For the purple color, hold down, and the pink, hold down. So you can get the skin tone only on your video. Yeah, it is aesthetic, I think. Alright, it's a super simple, super easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.